Through this episode, I will be talking about growing shift from traditional mercury-based UV lamps to modern LED alternatives, a transition that represents not only technological progress, but also a major step forward in sustainability, safety, and efficiency. In terms of the environmental benefits, first and foremost, LEDs are mercury-free, which makes them far safer for both users and the environment, as it is a toxic heavy metal. Disposal of mercury lamps poses significant environmental risks, particularly if the lamp breaks or end up in landfill. LEDs completely remove this concern, as they do not contain any heavy metals and have an array of other benefits in terms of their performance. LEDs are also significantly more energy efficient. While traditional UV lamps require warming up and often waste energy in the form of heat, UV LEDs deliver targeted wavelengths instantly, using up to 70% less energy in some applications. Over time, this leads to substantial reductions in electricity use, operating costs, and therefore energy demand. The importance of energy efficiency is especially relevant today, as our country and the globe makes its transition to clean energy, and therefore putting less stress and dependence on non-renewable abundant energy sources which are no longer sustainable. Lifespan and maintenance. Mercury-based UV lamps typically have a much shorter lifespan than that of UV lamps. UV lamps can last up to 50 times longer than that of traditional. This is an obvious benefit to everyone. For our clients, they are ensured 1,000 hours of runtime for medium pressure UV lamps and 10,000 for low pressure UV lamps. This therefore decreases the invested cost for our clients, as they are spending less on replacement lamps once they have come to the end of their working lives. We also offer replacement bulbs instead of charging for the whole unit replacement. This is not only cost efficient but reduces waste material, as it aligns with the sustainable principle of right repair. This is a key design feature of our LED systems and is supported by spare part and repair service. In terms of their performance and control, UV LEDs offer instant on and off control, precise wavelength targeting, and consistent performance without degradation that affects older lamp types. There's no need for warm-up time. They're ideal for delicate processes such as print drying, as the lamps do not emit heat, unlike mercury, as wasted energy, which therefore does not compromise with delicate materials and can be mounted very close to them, producing very fast drying times of down to a few minutes. For their safety and compliance, because LEDs don't contain glass tubes or pressurized gases, they're more robust and safer to handle. This reduces the risk of breakage and contamination, particularly in sensitive environments like hospitals, food processing, or clean rooms. They are also help to meet increasing regulatory pressure, especially in the UK and EU, to phase out mercury in lighting under the Restriction of Hazardous Substances Directive. Thank you for listening.